So guys, today we are going to be doing shooting a bullet at a map, and I'll buy whatever you land on. Now let me read what's on here. Nintendo Switch, $1, a McDonald's Happy Meal, anything from Target, an Apple product, a banana, noise canceling headphones, a swing set, and a MacBook Air. So let's get this challenge started. I'm going first. Go. Okay, so I'm going first. So I'm going for an Apple product. So I'm gonna shoot. Let's see what I get. I hit the wall. And
so you get another turn.
Yeah, that's what happens if I got to tell you that. Anything from Target.
Oh, now it's my turn.
Yeah, it's Soren's turn. Let's go. I got anything from Target, and we'll get the stuff after this video. So Soren had to leave, so I'm going to battle Pac-Man because Pac-Man came to battle. Hello. So he's gonna shoot. Okay, so Pac-Man's getting ready. Oh, he just shot the bullet. He just shot the bullet. Hold on, okay, I'm ready. I'm shooting for $1 because it's the color of me. Okay, let's see what I can get. $1! Yay! I get $1. Now it's Forbes' turn. Okay, so it is my turn, and this time I'm aiming for the Apple product. So I hope I get it. Go. It hit the wall, so I get to go again. Okay, so I'm ready to go again. Ooh. Apple. I'm not even going to take a risk. Another thing from Target? Well, that's okay. Now it's Pac-Man's turn. Okay, guys, I'm ready to shoot the dart.
Guys, I'm going to be gone for a little bit. I'm going to go to a party. I'll be back in less than an hour. So
you'll be back in a couple hours.
I'll be back in a couple hours. So how are you going to...
So say bye, see you in our next video.
Are you going to be doing this?
Not forever.
How long are you going to do this?
For a few minutes, Soren. Say bye, see you in our next video.
Bye, see you in our next video. And I will be in all of the live streams, guys.
So, yeah. So, it's Pac-Man's turn now.
But I won't always be in martial arts.
Okay. Bye, Soren.
Bye.
Okay, so it's my turn. And I'm going to aim for the banana because it looks good. Anything from Target. Okay. Now it's Forbes' final turn. Okay, guys, so it is my final turn, and I want to get the Nintendo Switch or the MacBook Air. So, wish me luck, and let's go. $1? Who needs $1? Now it's Pac-Man's final turn. I'm ready. Okay, so I'm just getting ready, and let's see, I want the banana. Banana! Yay! I got the banana! Guys, this was great stuff today. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye!
And guys, when I get an iPad, I will be giving out $100,000, which is right here. And I'll be selling it out to somebody that is going to watch the $10,000 video. It might be you. If you're watching this, if you're watching this video, you have to.
Okay, bye everyone. See you in our next video. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Let's go. Bye. Bye.